Hey Justin, do you know what I want to do today?
I don't, but I know you're going to tell me.
I want to review some food we had while we were in Universal.
The truth is, I did know, because we wrote this script together.
In Universal Studios Orlando, just across the street from Mel's Drive-In, is a small quick-service food stand called Central Park Crepes. They offer sweet, savory, and seasonal crepes, as well as Coca-Cola freestyle drinks.
Bethany and I ordered the lemon blueberry and the Thanksgiving turkey crepes to share, while Olivia ordered her go-to, the strawberry hazelnut, and Abby continued her goal of eating vegan the whole trip and ordered the vegan sausage crepe.
The crepes are made to order, so it can take a bit of time. And with the pandemic rules in place, they're asking that only one person from each party wait for your food. So we sent a few people to grab a table outside at Cafe La Bamba, which is just across the street from Central Park, where you can look across the way at Mel's to see Scooby-Doo and the gang hanging out, or Justin attempting to real-life Grand Theft Auto, the Mystery Machine. And if you look hard enough, you can see Rip Ride Rockit in the distance.
The Thanksgiving turkey crepe was seasonal and is no longer available.
It's like Thanksgiving dinner in a crepe.
But the rest are always on the menu. Of all the crepes we ordered, we couldn't decide which we liked best. They were different, and we absolutely loved them all. We may have insisted the girls share a bite or two. Actually, we might have just stolen the bites. But it doesn't matter because we'll definitely be going back for Central Park Crepes the next time we visit Universal Studios.
A couple of notes. First, we highly recommend you come here with a buddy that you can share everything with. That way, you can get a sweet and savory crepe and not be so full that you just puke looking at the Simpsons ride. That being said, if you order one of each and can put them down and keep them down, we respect that, and Universal will be really happy that they got some extra cash.
Second, and this is more of a the more you know type item, but we wouldn't be fair to Olivia if we didn't mention this. The Nutella in the strawberry hazelnut crepe is mixed with mascarpone cheese, so if you're a Nutella purist, you've been warned.
Let's head over to Islands of Adventure now.
Stages had none upon Mars. Those stars weren't so big, they were really quite small. You might think such a thing wouldn't matter at all.
Our next review is of Thunder Falls Terrace in Jurassic Park. From the way this place looks to the music that is playing, you're really gonna feel like you're in Jurassic Park. Not Jurassic World, because that's only on the West Coast. Seriously, we joked a few times that we felt like we should be watching for raptors to jump out as we were eating.
Because we were here during the COVID pandemic, the experience has changed. Normally, you would order your food at a central place and then you'd take your food to find a seat. But for now, when you enter, you are greeted by a host that assigns you a table number, and then you mobile order and it's brought directly to you.
We were lucky enough to be sat at the window right at the bottom of the river adventure drop, and we got to see a massive wave splash about every 45 seconds. We were amused that there is outside seating by the ride as well, because you and your food would have no chance of staying dry out there.
Olivia and Justin got the ribs, I got the chicken rice bowl, and Abby got the jackfruit rice bowl. While the rice bowls were pretty tasty, the ribs were dry, and I don't think we'll be getting them again. We enjoyed the atmosphere and would love to come hang out and watch people get splashed, but most likely won't return here to eat on our next trip.
Something we neglected to mention earlier, both of these locations accept the Universal Dining Plan, so make sure to take advantage of that.
That's all we've got for today, so our parting thoughts are go for the crepes and then try one of the many other options that Universal and Islands of Adventure has to offer.
Thanks to all those that keep coming back, and thanks to those of you that are new here. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and please leave us a comment because we love to hear from you. We were a lucky... I just did what you did. We were lucky enough.
You wanted to be a leprechaun too!
I did.